and on we'll go.
Hey guys, I'm Kushu. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. मेरा यार हालत खराब है because of summers. इतनी गर्मी. And these tips I'm gonna talk about in this video helped me a lot. So I hope you like them and I hope they'll help you too. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. I'm directly going to jump into my tip number 1. Be hydrated as much as possible. Here I'm not going to talk about everybody else, like drink water. I'm not saying you should not have water. You should have water, but there is something that you should add to your water and that will make it different. Yes. Nimbu pani. Lemon water is purifying, detoxifying the body. It also strengthens the immune system, helps balance the pH of the body and improves skin beauty. Use a glass of warm water and a little honey to make a lemonade. Warm water and honey are also good for the health. They help kill bacteria and increase resistance. You should take this every day in the morning. This will also help you with your digestion. Tip number 2, do not forget to wear sunscreen. Again, that's a basic tip everybody tells. But UV rays are harmful to your skin any time of the year, but more in summer seasons. So you should definitely take sunscreen and maximum control makeup or any other stuff. So I have a tip for you guys. So the main tip starts here. So if you want to use the foundation, you want makeup, then use your sunscreen and foundation to get that perfect tinted sunscreen. So basically you get these kind of sunscreens outside the tinted sunscreen, but then you can make one yourself, right? So why do you have to buy it? So I'm using La Shield sunscreen currently. It has 40 SPF and I mixed it with a Maybelline Superstay foundation and I got that super good tinted sunscreen. The third tip is get a homemade scrub. So I made this myself. This homemade scrub will remove all the junk and soothe the skin during summers. All you need is a potato. Cut them into pieces, put them in a jar and make a thick paste of it. Add a little bit of beetroot paste into it and squeeze a little bit of lemon into it and freeze the juice using regular ice trays. Use this as a gentle scrub every alternate day and let the juice dry on the skin before washing off. This will also help to remove any dark spots and also tighten your pores. Tip number 4. Do not forget your eyes and lips. The rays are harshest between 12 PM to 4 PM. So if you're heading out, maximum don't try to. If you're heading out, then make sure you protect your eyes with sunglasses and protect your lips with a lip balm. We often forget the skin underneath our eyes is really sensitive and you really need to protect them as well. So sunglasses is one of them, and you can also use potato juice. Dip a cotton pad into potato juice and put them maybe for 30 minutes to soothe down the skin around your eyes. Mostly in summers, if it's too hot, then your eyes might tend to get dry and you might feel burned. So use refresh drops probably once daily or maybe whenever you feel that dryness. This will help you cool down your eye. Number 5, vitamin C is really important. As I was talking about lemonade, vitamin C is also important on your skin as well as inside and outside. So I have here the E-Clan. It's basically a vitamin C product. Vitamin C protects your skin from environmental damage and boosts collagen development, reduces inflammation, which is pretty common in summers, neutralizes the harmful free radicals and repair your skin. Last and the 6th tip is cool off with a face mist. A face mist works wonders in hot and humid summer days. It helps in soothing sunburns, inflammation and makes your skin look very fresh and dewy. You can buy a face mist which is easily available in the market or make yourself one. So I'm going to quickly share with you guys my cucumber face mist recipe. So for that you need cucumber, rose water and lemon. I'm going to make cucumber slices and put them in a mixer and strain the juice using strainer. Mix it with the rose water and a little bit of lemon juice and put all this mixture in a spray bottle. You can spray it on your face and let it dry out. This will come almost 1 week for sure. You can also refill this bottle. It's super easy, doesn't really cost you much and It's a homemade thing, so no chemicals. If your skin is allergic to lemon, you can totally skip it. If you don't want to use cucumber, you can just use rose water to keep your skin hydrated. So these are my few tips and I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also follow me on my Instagram because I am doing a lot of giveaways there, and there is one, it's going on right now. It's Innisfree clay mask. I'm giving away one Innisfree clay mask to one of my active subscribers. The rules are super simple. Just go to this post and follow the rules. I hope to see all my YouTube fam on my Instagram as well. And if you are from my Instagram, then leave a heart so that I know you're from my Instagram fam. Also, a little bit of sneak peek to the Friday's video, which is the review Friday. I am going to talk about something related to my hair. I'm going to review a product which is related to curly hair. So if you are a girl who is struggling with your curly hair, if you really want to know what product is that, then do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. And with that all said, I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, by the way, how did you like the lighting? Because I am using my ring light and it's kind of a new setup I have here. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.